Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Just a little while ago, I made this uh, octagon rainbow color deal. And I probably don't need to make this because I've done this several times. But if you ever, I always like doing it with something that's like special like this. So this is going in front of that one, but it's behind that one. This is really, really easy, especially in this case. I'm going to hit the plus key and just make a duplicate. Put it anywhere in there. Now, my golden rule is we draw a rectangle and we want the four white spots, 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got my box selected. I'm going to shift select this one and I'm going to go right here to intersect and I'm going to move it out of the way. Then I'm going to take my box away. I'm going to take that one I had and I'm going to go object order back a page. But now when I move this one back, it looks like it's on, it looks like this layer is on front. And so they're interlocking. And you could do that. You could do it a lot, all at one time and have a bunch of these. But that's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.